Hey team, so today I'm just going to tell you a few tips of what to do if the trap is hard to set, and also tell you to always wear gloves when you're checking traps, because there's a lot of nasty diseases and things you can get. So always wear gloves, and it also helps to protect your hands from little sharp edges and stuff. So if you've got, like, if the trap box is on a bit of an angle, then sometimes it won't set. So try and make sure that the trap box is as flat as you can get it on the ground, and that it's not on a hill or anything. And then when you come to set the trap, if you secure it by sort of putting your knee on it and putting a hand over there, and then you can pull the mechanism up. And so what you can do to make the trap safe is, if you've got a long screwdriver, you can put that down in there, and then that makes the trap safe. So if you, like, another reason that it won't set very well is if the trap plate doesn't bounce back up, and that can be due to a build-up of stuff underneath the trap. So take the baffle out, and then get your scraper or something like that, and then just sort of clean all around the plate, and try and sort of poke underneath as well if you can, and then just sweep it out of the way. And another thing you can do is put a bit of lubrication on the trap. So we use CRC Syntex, so that's a synthetic oil, and it's odorless, so it won't put the animals off. And just a wee bit sort of at the top there, and just sort of anywhere there's sort of connections, but only a really small amount. And then you can put the baffle back in. Make sure that the baffle's round the right way, because otherwise the animal won't go onto the trap. Like so. It can be a bit difficult to get in there. And remove the screwdriver. And so if that happens, and the trap won't set, you'll need to let it down and set it again. And there you go.